Today, we're diving into the captivating world of 2D animation. From its humble beginnings to the vast array of applications we see today, we'll explore the rich history and the various ways 2D animation has shaped the entertainment and marketing industry. Let's dive into the origins of 2D animation. It all began over a century ago. In the late 1800s, pioneers like Emile Reynaud and J. Stuart Blackton experimented with hand-drawn sequences to create the illusion of motion. But it was Winsor McCay's groundbreaking 1914 film, Gertie the Dinosaur, that truly showcased the potential of 2D animation. One of the early pioneers in the field of educational animation was John Hubley, who created a series of animated films for the U.S. government during World War II. These films utilized simple animation techniques to educate soldiers on various military procedures and equipment. Advancements in technology, such as the invention of the multiplane camera by Walt Disney Studios, allowed for more complex and visually stunning animations. Disney's Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs in 1937 became the first ever full-length animated feature film, opening the doors for countless storytelling possibilities. Throughout the 20th century, 2D animation became a staple in film and television. From Looney Tunes to classic Disney films like The Little Mermaid and The Lion King, this traditional form of animation continued to captivate audiences of all ages. The widespread availability of computers and the internet in the 1990s played a significant role in the rise of animated explainer videos. With the advent of software like Adobe Flash, now Animate, animators had a powerful tool at their disposal to create interactive and engaging animations. Today, animation is not just limited to the big screen. Moving into the digital world, 2D animation has found a home on various online platforms. Web series, explainer videos, and animated shorts have become popular ways to entertain and educate viewers. The internet has provided a platform for independent animators to showcase their talents and connect with audiences worldwide. Additionally, the gaming industry has embraced 2D animation in a big way. Games like Cuphead and Hollow Knight feature stunning hand-drawn animations that not only enhance the gameplay experience, but also pay homage to the classic era of animation. Let's not forget the power of 2D animation in educational content. From interactive children's programs to informative documentaries, the medium brings complex concepts to life in a visually engaging manner. Advertising agencies have also embraced the power of 2D animation to create engaging and memorable commercials. From colorful and playful animations to sleek and sophisticated motion graphics, brands have realized the potential of animated videos to effectively communicate messages and explain complex concepts. Today, explainer videos have the highest return on investment than any traditional marketing tool. So, what does the future hold for 2D animation? As technology advances, we can expect even more exciting possibilities for this timeless art form. With the emergence of augmented reality, 2D animation can break free from the confines of screens and immerse viewers in interactive experiences. Advancements in artificial intelligence and machine learning are revolutionizing the animation process. From automating repetitive tasks to enhancing character movements, these technologies streamline production, allowing animators to focus on their creative vision. From its beginning to its current form, 2D animation continues to shape our entertainment and advertising industry in countless ways. What are your favorite 2D animated films, shows, or games? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on all things animation and video marketing. See you soon!